Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meg. I do fashion and lifestyle videos every single week, so if you do like that type of content, check out my previous videos and follow me on my fashion Instagram where I post daily. Today we are doing a Facetheory review, as you can tell by the title. I actually have used Facetheory quite a few times and I really like their products. I'm really excited to be working with them and sharing some of their amazing products. So I have quite a range of products here for different purposes. So just to give you a bit of context on my skincare concerns, I have very dry under eyes sometimes, and then I find it hard to put my concealer on because it just looks awful. Also get it around my under eyes. I have an oilier T-zone, so sometimes I have to block my makeup to keep it on. I really struggle to get all my makeup off, especially when I've done a full face of makeup. I've never really had glowy skin, but it's what I've always strived for because my skin's more on like the dull side. Your girl has pores on her nose. Granted, they're not as bad as they used to be, but they're definitely still there. And finally, yes, I have a lot of skincare concerns. Your girl has spots all the time. They never leave. They just love to be here rent free. So that's why I got a range of products to meet a lot of my different skincare needs. So hopefully if you guys have some of these products may work for you. And I have a cheeky discount code, so check my description. I put a link to their website along with my code there. So this is the vitamin C box. I have got it on my lap, but just for ease I'm going to show you here. So as you can see, there's 3 different products in it. So this is their cleanser, so you use this kind of like a face wash to get any excess makeup off and just make sure that your face is clean. This to me smells like some sort of like orange cheesecake. It smells peng. So it looks like this, kind of a custard looking consistency, and you only need a little bit of this on your face, and it is very heavy, so this is going to last you like forever basically. So I really like that. The smell is great. Then we've got a serum. I'm not going to try and pronounce that, I literally don't know how to say it. So this has got amino acids in it and ascorbic acid, which I've heard are really good for your skin. So this is more, I feel like if you're trying to brighten up your spots, that's what I take it as anyway. So I will use this on my spot prone areas just to brighten up the area, get rid of any inflammation, and I find that when I wake up my spots do look reduced. So this is actually kind of a very thick consistency, and it's just got a dropper here. So again, a little bit goes such a long way. I feel like with all these products they will last you a long time, which is really good. And then finally we've got the Amil C whip. This is raved about, like people love this product. So again, smells like orange cheesecake. That's the best way I can describe it. It looks like custard, and this is kind of like a face cream light moisturizer, and it does say with the serum after using it you should put some moisturizer on your face. So the order I do it in is a cleanser, and then I'll put this on my problem areas, and then I'll use this to keep the moisture in my face. And I find that together my face does look brighter when I wake up, because vitamin C is associated with making a dull face look brighter and glowy. So I definitely like these products. Okay, so this is something that I needed so bad. So it is a waterproof makeup remover. So this is actually really good at getting makeup off. For those of you that are trying to move away from wipes but don't really know what to use, something like this, a cream that is for getting makeup off, it is so good. I find with micellar water it does dry my skin out a bit, and with this it keeps the moisture in because it is a cream. So you can literally put this all over your face first and it literally melts your makeup off. It just makes it so much easier to get off. Then I'll use a face cloth to get off the excess. I really wanted to get the cloths that they sell on Facetheory, which are here, but they were out of stock when I did my order, so I might go back and get some. But yeah, it's just not harsh on your face at all. You don't feel like you're scrubbing. And then to get the excess off you might want to use a cotton pad and then a little bit more of this. But I feel like again this is going to last me a decent amount of time and actually does get my makeup off. So for me, who's literally used face wipes for like years and years up until the last few months and realized it wasn't good for my skin, this is the best thing to go to because I just feel like it's not harsh on your skin at all. So this is their Porebright serum. Again, raved about. So I was like, I'm gonna get it. I can see pores on my skin. Sometimes they look bigger, sometimes they look smaller. Whilst this hasn't fully gotten rid of my pores, I didn't really expect it to. It definitely does make them look tighter and kind of shrunken. So I'll put this on before bed and then I'll wake up and then I'll be like, oh, your skin's looking quite anti-pory today. But this is literally raved about on the website, so if you do want something that is going to tackle your pores effectively, this may well be the product for you. This one isn't a thick consistency, it's more runny, and again it recommends that you use moisturizer afterwards. So pretty much all of these products, if it's not a moisturizer, they want you to put moisturizer on afterwards, which is good because it stops your face from being like stripped of its natural oils. Next up is the Azeclear or Azeclear serum. I'm so bad at pronouncing things. So this you put on your problem areas, so it's more for spots, and I like it because it's got aloe vera and green tea in it. Just sounds very good and very nice for the skin. It hasn't broken me out anymore because some products can break me out more initially before my spots go. My spots haven't gone, they are temperamental little things, but it's definitely made them better. They don't look as crazy as they did before. So here's a kind of before and after. It's definitely improved them, but they're still not perfect. But I haven't been using these products for very long, so I need to give it a bit more time before I can properly say, wow, it's got rid of my spots completely, if it does. I wasn't expecting this to look like custard again, but the way it sprays sprays out. I'm not going to do it, but it's kind of a pump, so it doesn't spray, it pumps onto your skin. Again, goes a long way. This one doesn't really smell of much, so if you're someone that doesn't really like scents, it does say on the website whether it is scented or not, and for some of their products you can actually select if you want it to have no scent or an orange scent, or they've got other scents as well. For me, it's never really bothered me. Like, I don't mind that I can smell stuff on my face, but I understand for other people it might just be a personal preference, especially if it's quite a potent smell. Then I can understand how that can be quite distracting and annoying, but it's good that they have the option there. And the final product, probably my favorite product, it's the Ocuwake eye cream. So you just put it under your eyes. I've also been using it just under my brows where I said I get the dryness, and my dryness is gone, completely gone. And I know you might say, oh, you can just use moisturizer, that would work the same. It hasn't. Even like the Nivea really intensive cream, it doesn't get rid of my dryness around here. It feels tight, it feels horrible. This is actually really lightweight as well, so you don't feel like you've got really heavy kind of cream under your eyes when you go to sleep. This has saved me, this has saved my makeup. I don't look like a granny anymore. I can move my eyes, they don't feel dry. But I love this product, literally, it's like my holy grail. I use it every single night, don't even use it in the morning, and it does the job. I wake up, my under eyes are perfect. So if you did like any of the products and you'd like to try out Facetheory, they are affordable. Some of the items that you kind of use less of on your face are a bit more expensive, but the ingredients in it kind of justify that, and the fact that you're not using it too much. But yeah, I'm so impressed, and thank you Facetheory for working with me. And do not forget that cheeky discount code in my description if you want to get some money off. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and click the bell to be notified every single time I post. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.